Introducing Greet, the smart doorbell from Zmodo that's easy to set up and easy to use. Answer your door from anywhere. See who's there and talk to them through your smartphone.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Receive video clip motion alerts on your phone, even when somebody doesn't ring the doorbell. You can also record a voice message to play for visitors when you can't or don't want to answer the door. Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent. Missing a call doesn't mean missing a visitor. With Greet's built-in storage, you can replay several weeks' worth of recorded clips from motion alerts and missed visitors. Greet lets you create alert schedules to choose when you are notified, and you can even turn off your chime for a peaceful night. Greet by Zmodo. Before we begin, first turn off the power to your doorbell. Unscrew your existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect it from the two wires. Make sure you leave these two wires exposed. Next, we need to take Greet's mounting bracket off. First, loosen the security screw, then slide the bracket down and off of Greet. Now, align the bracket against the wall, feeding the wires through its center opening. Make sure the bracket is level, then mark the screw holes. When mounting on brick, concrete, or stucco, use the provided screws with anchors. When mounting on wood or vinyl, anchors are not required. Since we're installing on stucco, after removing the mounting bracket, we'll drill holes about the same size as the wall anchors. Tap in the wall anchors with a hammer, and then screw the bracket into place, making sure the two wires are fed through the center opening. After the bracket is secured, provided screwdriver so that Greet is secure. Specific password for it if desired. Your Greet is ready to messages.
doorbell. You can also purchase footage for Ring Doorbell 2 is less grainy than Ring Doorbell. Faceplate whenever you want. In addition to the adapter plate, Ring Video
Pizza?
Hello?
Hello!
Hi, my name is Andrew, and I'm excited to introduce you to iDoorCam. iDoorCam is a Wi-Fi enabled digital doorbell that allows you to see, hear, and speak to the person at your door no matter where you are or what you're doing.
Go and leave the package at the front door. Thanks.
The idea was born from everyday situations. I mean, don't you wish you could know who's at the door before you stop what you're doing to answer it? Want to see who's there when you're not home but the kids are? And what about when it's dark? Well, we're making all that possible, and we're doing it with minimal design and cutting-edge technology. So how does it work? Oh, hold on. Someone's at my door. Hey, John.
Hey Andrew, want to go to the beach?
Yeah, I'm already down here. I'm talking to folks about how iDoorCam works. Why don't you come down to our usual spot?
Okay, I'll be there soon.
When a visitor rings the doorbell, iDoorCam sends an alert to everyone in your family, and each person can choose to accept or ignore the call. If you answer it, you'll see, hear, and speak to the person at your door.
Hi, Kate, it's me.
Hi, Sarah. So happy you're here. Come on in, I'm in the kitchen.
iDoorCam connects to your home's Wi-Fi, and you can receive the feed over Wi-Fi, 3G, and 4G. Installation is easy. All you need is a screwdriver, and it works with your current doorbell's wires for full-time power. The front features a button, day and night vision camera, microphone, speaker, and tiny motion sensor. The cover is made from hardened plastics with a UV coating that will not rust or interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. It's rugged and it will survive harsh conditions. iDoorCam works internationally. It's designed to be compatible with G and N wireless networks, and it's backwards compatible, so it'll work with almost any wireless router. iDoorCam will be made in the USA, right here in Southern California. You'll enjoy some great features. For example, multiple users. This is perfect for a whole family, a babysitter, an employee, or when you're caring for a senior parent.
Looks like a solicitor.
Oh, that's okay. The babysitter will get the call.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We're excited about iDoorCam, and we hope you'll join us in making it a reality. Thank you.